What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kaseng FKJGP Clear Circle hapok ke jingalam uskia tri jasmi isana rengkat ke MPUF East Jaintia balayalam da Presiden Akarshan Bla kila leja kenduk ya Superintendent ka East Jaintia Hills ban penken mau biang halor ka dorkas baka seng ka labu haka arpoi terik ubnai wasan arajar arkusan halor ka jingdon jong kinong khaii Masi bat nong khaii shini be an chapo Bangladesh. Kini ki arseng kila ong bakis ngopla bantep bawat hadian baladap ujor syau SP Henry kita ki kam khaii Masi tu kidang yai Bteng kat hadu mentah mene. Kila ong ru ka jing ngopla kalong bakite ki kam bian ki yai lingba ki checkpoint jong ki pulit lat rembai. Henry omdon batek lakam ya kini ki kam bian bat ka bapen subajur ya ki nong ujor ba kalak bandon ka aka Syllad. Lingba ukurwo ki arseng kila ong ru ba ka jing khaii tu ya ki Masi syapo Bangladesh lingba ka than lat rembai syadu Bangladesh tang ba ki te ki nong shalan ki penrung tu ya ki Masi syapo Bangladesh Henry ki dei ru kum ki nong yalam bat pen i lenti ya ki nong Bangladesh kum no ban yo rung tu syapo uput usam jong kari India. Kila ong ru ba ka jing bam shim khia da ki bor ba dei pen kala ban bu ka jing ma ka bakraw ya ka jela jong yi khamtam ha ka than East Jaintia. Haka balayo iya ke jing roy jong ki khar Muslim khamtam haki than lat rembai klian.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.